Iceland has seen a big rise in tourism over the last few years, and in our multicultural society, we embrace people from around the world, also their cooking habits. And today I'm taking a spin on the taco, which I'm doing now in a Nordic style. The main ingredient for today's taco is the Atlantic cod. So we have nice fresh cod fillets, which we'll start with frying. We put some sea salt and some white pepper. So for the taco, I'm using a traditional Icelandic bread, flatbread made of rye. We start with the skyr sauce. I've added a touch of dill oil to it. Secondly, I'm putting some pickled fennel. Next, I'm putting the cod on. Then I'll put some pickled pearl onions. Next up, we add some beautiful sprouts. At the very end, we use the watercress. The watercress brings peppery flavor to the taco. Last but not least, we need some lemon zest. So I'm grating lemon zest straight on top of the taco. Ready for service.